Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a scroll to top button in your WordPress website if you're using Astra Pro Theme. So let's go to our WordPress website's dashboard, and now you have to go to Appearance and then you have to go to Astra Options. Now here on this page you'll find these options available to the Astra Pro users. Now here you'll find an option of scroll to top. So let's go to our website, and as you can see that we don't have any scroll to top button on our website right now. We don't have it on the right side or we don't have it on the left side. So let's go back and then click on activate. Now if I go to my website and then click on refresh, and now if I scroll down, you'll see that this option is appearing now. So using activate button we can enable this option. Now, what if I want to modify this option? If I want to change the colors or the size, then in order to do that, I have to go to Appearance and then I have to click on Customize. Now here, I have to go to Layout and then I have to go to Scroll to Top. Now as you can see, we have variety of options available here. So you can select at what device it should show. So you can select desktop, mobile or desktop plus mobile, that means both of the devices. Then you have an option to change the position. So suppose it's right now showing on the right side. If I want to show it on the left side, I can do that by choosing this option. Now I have an option here to change the size. So suppose it's 20 size. So right now it has a size of 20. Let's make it 15. It will be smaller. And now you have an option to add a background radius. So as you can see, it's round right now. If I want to make it square, I can just make the radius 0. Or if I want to make it rounder, I can make the radius 100 or any larger number. So let's keep it 10. It will look good that way. Now I have an option to change the icon color. So as you can see, we have an icon color of black right now. So let's click on this and then change it to blue. Now we have an option to change the icon background color. So let's make the icon background black. And then on hover options, you can see that we have white color. So you can change that as well. So if I make it red, if I hover on it, I'll see the blue arrow converting into red. And then I have an option to change the background color of hover. So I can make it white. So as you can see, we have completely changed this button. And if I click on it, the website will be scrolled to the top. Similarly, you can use these options to make a scroll to top button for your WordPress website in Astra Pro Theme and match it with the theme you are using or match it with the colors present on your website. Now let's click on Publish to save it. Now I'll show you how does it appear on our website. So let's go to our WordPress website, and then you can see this option here. So if I click on it, the website will be scrolled to the top. This option is available on all the pages, and you can also check it on the mobile screens. So in the mobile screens as well, I have this button, and it works very nicely in mobile devices as well. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.